Mrs. Elvis and I are setting off on another week of adventures. Today I'm off to the Donkey Sanctuary for my volunteer day, and I don't actually have much else on this week. I had quite a busy week last week. Nothing much on this week, but what I do need to do is clean the sink in Mrs. Elvis. I might show you when I do that. She does need a clean, but I don't want to do it. I'm hoping my husband might do that. Yeah, but nothing much planned, so it might be a short video, which you might like. Oh, and it is raining today. There's a lot of road diversions on the island at the moment, which means a lot of traffic going down roads it wouldn't normally go down. And one of those roads is one that I have to turn out into. I have to turn into the road from the junction, and I couldn't get out this morning. There's so much traffic coming that way. And then someone was turning left, so I was edging out a little bit, and then coming the other way was an Alphard, which flashed to me to let me out. So yay, Alphard Supporters Club. When I get in today, I've got to pick up a few props because I'm going to be talking to some nursery school children next week, and I like to take some hands-on interactive items with me when I do that. I've spoken to children at a primary school before, so quite a mix of ages from very young up to almost going to senior school, but I've never spoken to a nursery school before, so quite looking forward to that. I'm a little bit nervous because the engine light just came on, stopped and started again, and it's gone off, but I need to keep a proper eye on that. See why. I need to know why, obviously, get it sorted. As much as I love the Donkey Sanctuary, I definitely don't want to be stranded here later on if Mrs. Elvis breaks down on me, but she won't. She's a good girl. It's the last day of January and I'm going to the beach with the doggies, and today I reached 700 subscribers, so I'm very excited about that. Thank you to everyone who follows me and watches my videos. It really makes me happy and I really enjoy doing it. So we've got through January. I'm one of those weird people who actually really likes January. I know a lot of people don't, but I kind of like the getting things done kind of thing in January. But yeah, almost into February. Looking forward to the season ahead. Hopefully lots of camping and adventures with the Cavaliers. So yeah, thanks for joining me and let's go. There's a bit of drizzle in the air, but it's bright as well.
Okay, come